watch our website, you know we sell a lot of specialty Mustangs. Here's another one at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is a 2006 Saleen S281 convertible. It's actually number 06-71, so the serialization number from Saleen. Number 71, early built one. S281, 4.6 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic transmission in this one. Go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. This is actually a Southwest United States car. That's where it came to us from. 3-owner car, just a little over 56,000 miles on it. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the interior, the underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I don't know if you can see that on the front. It does have the protective coating. 3M is a brand that makes them, but that protective coating up front, so you don't have a ton of rock chips on the hood like you see in a lot of these. It's black. You're going to have some imperfections here and there. It's been driven, but overall, paint does show well, as you can see. Has a nice shine to it, good reflection. And then the dark charcoal leather interior, of course, with the Saleen insignias front and rear. Saleen dash plaque will be here stating that that is indeed 06-071. Again, automatic transmission, Shaker 500 stereo system, power top, black vinyl roof, and we're going to put that up here at the end of the video, let you check that out. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, the center dump exhaust on the rear. There is also a dash protector, dash mat or dash protector right over here that I will fold up and set in the back seat or the trunk of the vehicle. That will go with it. Also has tinted windows. I'll put those up when we check out the top so you can see that. Remember the percentage of tint that you can have depending on where you're located at. Make sure you know those state and local laws. Still pictures, you'll be able to see the top up, top down, the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on the wagon wheels. Nice looking chrome Saleen wheel. And up and down the driver's side. And again, you can see that black paint has a nice shine to it. This will also come with the Ford owner's manual, as well as the Saleen owner's manual in the glove box, as you get a look at the rear seats. And again, plenty of pictures of those in with the still pics. Something I did notice here, it does have the door panel inserts. If you're familiar with this body style, Saleen in the years, those inserts would tend to come undone and start to fall down. They were kind of a vinyl type insert that was glued on. This has been replaced, and you can see here, looks like the seats have been well taken care of with leather conditioner. Considering miles in the car, bolster, seats, nice shape. And then of course power seat on the driver's side, and that is working. Of course, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, power mirrors, all your modern amenities. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay too. All right, so there's the exact miles, 56,840. If you can see that, 56,840. No warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that on. 6 CD change with that Shaker 500 system. Of course, AC. Rest of the dash, also nice shape. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear this run. Good sounding car, nice rumble. Coming out of that 4.6 liter. this hood, and let's check out this engine bay. All right, take a look underneath the hood liner. Doesn't appear this has really been driven in much for inclement weather. You can see down through there, that would be the Saleen S281 3-valve pulley, correct for this car. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Looks good, sounds good. You can also see the Saleen cowl tag, I guess, if you will, that will have the production date, last of the VIN, and that will also reflect that this would be number 06-071. There's the engine bay. Let me pause this one more time. I'm going to put that convertible top up and the side glass. We'll check that out and wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. I also put the side windows up. You can see they are a darker tint. Know your local and state laws and the percentage of window tint darkness you can have. As far as the top, power top, works as it should. Free of rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window. Rear defogger. Good condition. Most of the time you're going to have it down, I bet, with a fun convertible. But if you need to stay out of maybe a quick shower, or you want the sun off your back, convertible top's going to work just fine. 2006 Saleen Mustang S281 convertible, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2006 Ford Mustang Saleen. This is a convertible. It's an automatic on the floor, or the center console, I should say. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we wash our cars, so we're able to do these driving videos for you. This car starts and runs like new. Radio works great. Sounds really good. Nice and straight down the road. No wheel hops or shimmies. These are easy to drive. Brakes work really good. We'll give you another acceleration here. The corner's amazing. Sounds really good when you're on the throttle. Kind of wish I could have the windows down. Definitely want to check this Saleen Mustang out at uniqueclassiccars.com.